Hey Crea'Madonas, welcome back to the channel. I'm Belitra and I'm the crafty black girl. So you guys, we are finally putting together this Batman gift basket, you guys, for Newlyweds. So I'm starting off with this little album, you guys. This is a wedding album I got for $6.24. That either came from Michael's or it came from Hobby Lobby. I think it was Michael's though, I'm not sure. But you guys, I got it marked all the way down, and then I did wrap a box to go ahead and use for this basket because this basket is pretty big. As you see, it is as big as my table. So yeah, I had to wrap a box so that we could go ahead and put these items in. There is the pillow that we made. Here is the water jug that we made, you guys, customized for this basket. And here is a throw blanket that I got from Five Below. That was $5.55. And then this ramen bowl set I actually got from a store in the mall, and it was $20. It was a lot more than I wanted to spend, but at that point I had like no Batman things. So here are the glasses that we made, you guys. I'm just placing them in the best place where they will stand up. They will be secure. They won't fall over or anything like that. Those are some little winter booty socks that you wear around the house for the wife. And these are some Spider-Man socks for the husband. The husband is like the Batman. He is the Batman fanatic, and I just added in some things for the wife because this is mainly his basket, but we didn't want to leave her out. So then I put some earbuds in there, and here are some trivia cards that I found in Five Below, you guys. I actually forgot to take this tag off, so I'm so glad that that fell over so that I could take that tag off. So now I'm just going to go ahead and reposition these booties. I didn't really like how they were placed, and I'm going to put them on the side of the water jug. And so now I'm going to go ahead and tape this to the label there to cover that up, and then we're going to place the Batman socks over here next to the fleece blanket thing. And then I'm going to reposition this album because I really didn't like how it was laying. The next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and add some tape to the bottom of these playing cards here and secure it to the box. Then I'm going to take some shred from Dollar Tree, of course, you guys, and fill in the little holes, you guys, just to make it look all gifty and stuff, all pretty and cute and stuff. So yeah, I don't know, sometimes I use shred, sometimes I don't, but for this one I thought it would be appropriate to go ahead and use the shred. So you guys, this is what the basket looks like. This is the finished look. Oh my goodness, I really love how this turned out. It is super freaking cute. I don't like Batman, but I love this basket, you guys. This was such a challenge for me. And you guys, I went to try to find some shrink wrap, and I could not find any shrink wrap, so I had to wrap it in yellow cellophane, which it came out fine, but that was not my preference. But I mean, it's okay. Well, I know you guys are going to ask me how much this went for. This went for $200. So this is what it looks like, you guys. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you like this basket, what you like, what you didn't like, what would you include that I did not include. Yeah, if you haven't already, subscribed to the channel, you guys, and until next time, stay crafty.